Let's create an SPL token mint on Solana using Rust. We start with imports. From Solana SDK, we bring in pack for deserializing account data, key pair and signer for key management, and transaction for building transactions. From Solana System Interface, we import the create account instruction, and from SPL Token Interface, we import the token program ID, initialize mint instruction, and the mint state type. We create an RPC client connected to a local validator with confirmed commitment and fetch the latest block hash. We generate two key pairs, one for the fee pair and one for the mint account address. We airdrop one SOL to fund the fee pair. Next, we calculate the account space using mint::len and fetch the minimum rent for that space. Now we build two instructions. First, create account through the system program. This allocates space, pays rent, and assigns ownership to the token program. Second, initialize mint through the token program. We pass the token program ID, the mint address, the mint authority, an optional freeze authority, and 9 decimals. We build the transaction with new signed with payer, passing both instructions, the fee payer as payer, both signers, and the block hash. We send and confirm the transaction, then print the mint address and transaction signature. Finally, we fetch the mint account data back from the chain and deserialize it using mint unpack, printing the full mint struct.